Hi, so this busted Honda Civic key from 2009 was handed over to me to try to fix, and the fob case is busted up pretty badly. So in this video we're going to see if we can fix this and save some serious money. Okay, just got to get this back off here. So just get a fingernail in the seam, and it should pry apart fairly easily. Once one side comes out, the other will as well. There's the battery. You can kind of push it through here. You can separate that water-resistant rubbery cover from the circuit board. Now this plastic piece appears to be glued in. These shells are readily available. Only paid $9.99 for two. I paid that for one. Yeah, that looks exactly right. Okay, what's missing is this. This is also where this original one snaps in. See the little snaps on there? They go in and snap like that. We'll give it the old try, see if it'll pry out. Breaks, it breaks. Look at that. Did come out of there, except for one little piece in here. So apparently this was just glued in a couple spots here, but it did come out. Well, time for a new tube of this. All I need is just a dab here. I'm going to glue this, but I'm not sure you really need to. When you snap those two shell pieces together, it's not going anywhere. Just let that dry a while. While that's drying, we can change out the battery. This is 1616 here. The old battery measured 3.0 volts, the new 3.2, so that thing was right on the edge. They included a new screw with this, but I'm going to use the original. I like the color. So as we look this piece over, there is a back and a front. The back, I believe, is flat. And there's also a back to this, which is flat. So you've got to, when you put this together, yeah, that should be it. There's a larger hole in the front. So the front of this blade insert matches with the front of the fob case right there, and that large hole will then fit over an alignment nipple right there. Okay, the next step then is to put the board back in. Okay, now make sure all the buttons are coming through. For some reason this one's not lining up. Let's take this off. Gotta put this in here first. Yeah, pushing the buttons through themselves to make them all line up with the holes works much better when you don't have the board attached. Okay, there. Now all three of them are lined up. So you have to kind of work the board so it goes underneath that rubberized portion, so it provides a seal around the edge of the board. Okay, make sure this is recessed all the way around this edge. Okay. Okay, it's in there. Our key slipped back out. It's a very tight fit, so we're going to slip it into this half first. Now let's see if we can get it. There. Now we're in on all sides. And just put the screw back in. There. Okay, let's go test this on the Civic. Alright, everything's working, and we saved a couple $100 from having to replace the key. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.